Today, we are not going to talk about $1 million. We are going to do something real. We are going to earn your first dollar of passive income. That first dollar is the most important because it proves the system works. It is the first drop of rain that starts the flood. This is not a theory. This is a simple, step-by-step blueprint to get your first taste of real dividend income. Step 1. Choose your weapon. We need to buy a piece of a company that will pay us. The simplest way is to buy an all-in-one dividend ETF. Think of a fund like SCHD, VYM, or DGRO. These are like baskets that hold dozens of the world's most successful dividend-paying companies. You are instantly diversified across the best of the best. Step 2. Open your account. You need an account with a stockbroker. It doesn't matter which one you choose: Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, Robinhood. They are all good for this mission. Opening an account is free and takes less than 10 minutes. Step 3. Place the order. This is the moment of truth. You are going to buy one single share. Search for the ETF symbol you chose in Step 1. For example, SCHD. You will see a buy button. Click it. It will ask how many shares you want. The answer is 1. Just 1. Confirm the order. That's it. You are now an owner. You are no longer just a consumer. You are a capitalist. Now, you wait. Depending on the ETF, they pay out their dividends every month or every quarter. Very soon, you will see a tiny deposit in your account. It might be 25 cents. It might be 50 cents, but it will be there. That is your first dollar. A dollar you didn't work for. A dollar that came to you simply because you own a piece of the engine of capitalism. Now, you take that dollar and you buy another fraction of a share, and you begin again. This is how empires start.